In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make two columns in Google Docs. Whether you're starting with a blank document or have a page filled with text, this tutorial has got you covered. We'll be working with an article to showcase just how you can effectively transform it. Imagine that you've written a lengthy article or pasted a significant piece of content into your Google Docs file. Now you want to organize it into two columns. The first thing you'll need to do is highlight the text you wish to divide. This can be done simply by clicking and dragging your mouse over the desired section. And if you're looking to apply this format to the entire document, you can use a handy keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+A for Windows users or Command+A if you're on a Mac. This will swiftly select all the text for you, making it ready for formatting. Once your text is highlighted, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll see the Format menu. Clicking on it will present you with a drop-down menu packed full of formatting options. What you'll want to do next is locate the Columns option. Selecting this will unveil a few visual representations of different column configurations. Today, our focus is on the two-column layout. Although a three-column setup is also possible, two columns serve well for many documents. So we'll choose the icon that illustrates two columns. Instantly, you'll observe that your text is rearranged into a neat two-column format. This alteration not only enhances readability, but also imparts a more professional appearance to your document. If you desire even more control over the look and feel of your columns, Google Docs offers a More Options feature at this stage. By clicking on it, a dialog box will appear, allowing you to customize your document further. You can adjust the number of columns, with 3 being the maximum available, tweak the spacing between columns, or even insert a line between them. These options offer the flexibility to fine-tune the layout to suit your needs. For this tutorial, however, we'll keep things straightforward and stick with our initial two-column layout. And there you have it. With just a few easy steps, you can transform a potentially overwhelming wall of text into a more manageable and visually appealing format. This feature is invaluable not only for articles, but it also works perfectly for newsletters, reports, or any document where columns can help communicate information more effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your digital tools. Enjoy these newfound skills in Google Docs, and happy writing!